Dongguan Velve Thread Manufactory, established in 2003, is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, close to Shenzhen Port, which has many direct sea routes to most basic ports in the world. With convenient transportation and technology industry clustering effect, Dongguan Velve Thread Manufactory enjoys the dividends of the economic zone and continues to develop and innovate. We have nearly 20 years of experience in manufacturing and exporting. Our products are welcomed by buyers from nearly 100 countries and regions, including America, Europe, Asia, India, and the Middle East. Dongguan Velve Thread Manufactory is one of the professional manufacturers and exporters of functional yarns, threads, and ropes. The so-called function is that our products have different effects, such as reflective thread, reflective, core spun thread, high strength, conductive thread, conductive anti-static, aramid thread, flame-proof, luminous thread, glow-in-the-dark, water-soluble thread, dissolving, paper yarn, recycled thread, etc. Dongguan Velve Thread Manufactory offers an extensive range of high-quality functional yarn and thread with leading-edge technology, nearly 20 years of evolution, passion, and innovation to be the good customized textile material manufacturer. We are constantly raising grades, optimizing the service systems, and exerting cooperation ways. With the goal of creating and building a national brand, we are willing to supply all kinds of functional yarns all over the world, such as setting up branches or agents to develop together with more business friends.